Some live, some die. Everybody wonders why we're here. Should we even try? Philosophers lost in the night. A beacon in the distance, you gotta turn around. Its vestige dimly flickers in elocution sound. The modernist chronometer uptight and underwound. Pretensions of a higher ground. Higher ground. Introspective paradise found. Atoms, atoms resound. Economy of nature, the dead and shallow graves. The particles of happiness elude us in their names. A psychosymbiotical reflection on the waves. Eternal is the night and day. Night and day. Omnipresent sealers of fate. Atoms, atoms remain. The righteous opposition has led us all astray. One side against the other, one loses, one reclaimed. And if reconciliation eludes us every day, then will we ever find a way? Find a way, not with our religion as gaze.